Welcome to Elegant Fashion Tutorial. Now this is the part 2 of the video. We are going to now concentrate on the skirts. I told us the skirt is just a form of a line, but it has pieces design. That is, it's being cut in pieces, and we are going to put it together to get a wonderful and beautiful design. Join me to the cutting table. Okay, this is the skirt. The length of the skirt is 44 inches. 44. The hips measurement is this. Remember, I told you it's just like A shape, but we will carve out a design from that A skirt. So now the hip is 40 divided into 4 will give us 10. This is 10 inches. Then plus 5 inches I will use to curve it down to make it A. Then I'll be adding another 2 inches, making it, everything is 17 inches. The width is 17 inches, while the length is 44 inches. Now to get the hips, I mark 9 inches here. You can use 10 inches here. Let's use 10 inches here. Depending on the person's height, you can use 8.5, you can use 9, you can use 9.5, you can use 10, depending on the height of the person. Now to get the new side, I have to mark 19 inches here. This is 19 inches for the new curve. Okay, now the waist is 9.8. That is 39 divided into 4, 9.8 inches. This is 9.8 here, plus 2 inches. This is 9.8 here. I'll be adding 2 inches here. But because it will be having a curve, we'll be carving out a pattern from the side. So I'll be adding it to be 3 inches allowance for the, so that 2 inches for the main allowance, while we use half inch for the joining of the pattern. Okay, this is the hips. The hips measurement is 10 here. Then I'll add 5 inches to it here. Plus 5 inches here. Remember the upside I added 3 inches. Here is 5 inches. Now this is the new side. This is the new. 10 minus 2 will give us 8. This 8 inches plus 5 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 5 inches. Now take it straight to this side. Yes. We'll cut this one out first. Carefully. Okay. I'll place it to cut the back before we cut the design. Yes, it's a long skirt. This is the back with zip allowance. So I'm cutting it. Okay. To get the design from this part, this side, the design will be on the two sides. The measurement start from here. I measure 7 inches here. Then here, I will remove 6 inches from the middle side. So this is 7 inches. This is 7 inches here. Then I'll remove 6 inches straight, or you can make it 6.5. Let's make it 6.5 inches. Or if you want, you can make it 6 inches, depending on how you want it. Then I'll take the 6 inches. This is 6.5. 6.5 here. Then I'll join the lines together. Then at this point, measure out 2 inches from here. This is 2 inches here. Then you want 2 inches. I'll curve it here. To meet this, curve it very well. I'll cut it off. Remember, I'm cutting both the front and the back. I'll first of all open this side so that I will not make mistake by leaving it. Now the next thing is to do after cutting this side. Okay, from down I'll measure 23 inches here. This is 23 inches from the down. Then this one is a zip allowance, so I'm working with this I will extend to this. I will mark 2 inches. You may be asking, what is this 2 inches for? Okay, we are going to create a printing design here. We are going to print, and these 2 inches I'll take it down. Okay, these 2 inches I'll take it down, then I'll cut this side off. Then I join the lines together. Remember, this is on fold. That's it will, if you open it up, is 4 inches. 4 inches. Then I'll be cutting this off. Okay. Okay, we are done with this. Now, remember we measured out 4 inches. Now, this is 15 inches by, remember I cut off 23, while this is 24. It will be, I'll take ½ inch for the planting, then the remaining I'm going to trim it off. So I'll be using this to plant that front. Let me show you what I mean. This is how to sew it. You can see at the end we'll be having just like a pieces skirt, but this is a creative design. Now, see how you sew it. You start from this side, because if you start from down, it may not reach. Why are we going to start from this side? So that even if it didn't reach, at the end, remember we still have enough allowance at the downside. We'll be trimming it off. So you start from here to join this. You join this together. After joining this, then, okay, I'll be using these pieces. Now, I'm going to join it with this. This is how to join it. You're going to plant it here. Remember, this is 15 inches. Then we plant it down here. You join this edge with this. You join it with the 2 edge. Then the same way, you do this one. The same way. When you are joining this side, you need to be careful. It's form of square shape. I'll be planting it all together here. But if you are planting it and this, you are not comfortable with this, you can as well cut this side and join it. Maybe you cut this side, first join this. After joining it, then you add these 2 sides. By that time you join it. So I will show you the process in joining it in our next video. The same way. Okay, this is the back. The same way you did it, Now if you want it to be more fuller, like that front one, we use 15 inches for that one. And this one, because of the zip allowance, here now we are having 3 inches, 3 point something. So if you want, you can divide this into two. This is the 15 inches. You can divide it into two, then plaint it here and here. Remember, it has two sides. The same way you do this side is the same way you'll be doing the other side. You join it with the other side. Okay guys, we are really done with this design. Don't be confused. If you are getting confused, you can watch it all over again. You will see the outcome. It will be a beautiful dress. This is how the top will look like. You can see how lovely it is. You can see the sleeve. You can wear it free. If you want to use a belt like this to make it, see how lovely it will look like. And see the sleeve, the designs, and the back. See the back, how it looks like. You can use stone to design this, or pearls. If you like, you can leave it this way. It's still okay. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Join me on my Facebook page at Elegant Styles and Tutorial. You will see different styles of your choice, both English styles, Ankara, and plain and pattern, children wear, any style of clothes you want. Join me there and see you on my next video. Keep watching Elegant Fashion Tutorial. Bye.